Okay, we continue number 27, but C for section B. So C1, find the values of H and K. So you want to find H, this length. So you just use the x-axis to calculate. So H minus -3, H minus -3 equals to 8. So you will get H equals 5. Then you want to calculate for values of K. K, here you can see the line, this one same line, meaning K will be like a midpoint. The value of X will be the midpoint. Okay, so use the value of X here, -3, and H. H we get already is 5. So K equals to -3 plus 5 divided by 2. So we get is 1, meaning the coordinate here is 1, 6. Okay, part 2. Calculate the area in unit square triangle PQR. So you have the formula, area half times PR times height. That is K equal 6. No, 6. From here is 1 already. So here is 6, meaning the height is 5. Half times 8 times 5. So we get is 20 cm or 20 unit square. Unit. Okay, number 28. Diagram 21 shows 3 identical quadrants. 1, 2, 3. Point PQR are the centers of each quadrant. Okay. Find the area in cm squared of the shaded region. Okay, so meaning the area of the quadrant minus area of the triangle. So we have 3 quadrants. So the area for quadrant, what is the formula? So we have 3 quadrants. So 3 times area of quadrant is 1/4 pi r squared. R is what? 7. This is for the quadrant. Then minus, there are 3 triangles, half times, this one 7, here also 7, so 7 times 7. Okay, so you can simplify, so you will get the answer. Okay, you will get the answer 42 cm squared. Okay, B, we have diagram 22 shows a wire that was bent to form 3 semicircles. Given that point PQR are midpoint of the diameters AB, BC, CD, AP is 3.5. If length of AP, BQ, CR a ratio of 1 to 4, AP, BQ, and CR mean the radius is 1 to 4. Calculate length of the wire. Okay, so given is the okay, we have a circle PQR. Okay, so 1, 2, 4. Here is 3.5, meaning multiply 3.5. 7. 4 times 3.5, so we get here is 14. Okay, that one is the radius. So to find the length of this one is a circumference of the semicircle. Okay, actually this one you can see is a semicircle. So AB equals to, the formula that we use is 2 pi r, 2 pi r. So meaning the length of the wire equals to total length. Total length of the wire equals to AB plus BC plus CD. Okay, so AB equals to pi, R is 3.5 for AP. BC, the radius is BQ, 7, so pi 7. And then CD, 14, so pi 14. This is for semicircle. Actually, for one complete circle is 2 pi r. Okay, so we get equals to, you just calculate 24.5 pi, or 24.5 times 22 over 7. Okay, so we get 7 centimeter. Sorry, meter. Unit is meter. 7 meter. Okay. Okay, number 20 C, part C. Table 3 shows values of two variables x and y of a function. Based on the table, plot all points on the graph paper using the scale given. Hence, draw the graph of the function. Okay, so we have -1, 13. So here is 0, means here is -1. 10, 12, meaning 13 is here. This is 13. So -1, 13. This is the first point. Okay, and then 0, 3. 0, 3 will be here. 1, -3. 1 here. -3 is here. 2, -5. 2 is -5. 3, -3. So we have 3 here. And then -3 is here. Okay. And then 4, 3. 4, 3. 5, 13. 5, 13. Okay. Now use pencil to draw freehand. Join all the points. There should be straight line here. Ada curve sikit kat sini. No double line, masih straight. Okay. So dari sini smooth line. Okay. So this is the shape. Okay, number 29. Diagram 23 shows a right cylindrical glass and the volume of the bottle of apple juice, or the apple juice poured into several glasses until they are full. Calculate minimum number of glasses needed. So what you do, you just calculate the volume of the glass. Okay, so volume of the glass is a cylinder. So the formula of the cylinder, pi r squared h. Okay, so 22/7 times the radius here. This is diameter, so radius 3.5, height 8. Okay, so we get is 308. Here we get 308 cm cube. This is for the glass. So to pour all, meaning 2,500 divide by 308. So we get is 8.11. So number of glass is 8. Abaikan ni, tak perlu ambil point sebab hanya 8 saja. Okay, B. Diagram shows a right pyramid, square base. Draw in full scale the net of the pyramid and the square grid side 1 unit provided in the answer space. This is not very clear. So from here we can calculate the height first. For example, want to find the height here. Here 5, 4, because here is 8, so meaning 3. The height is 3 unit. Height is 3 unit. So 1, 2, 3. So I can have this one. The first vertex will be here, the center. And then this one should be 8. And then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 here. So we get the, I draw the first one, you decide. This side, yeah? Then I want to draw this side. That's also 8 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And then you count 1, 2, 3, 4. That will be the midpoint. And then this one is 3 unit as well. 3 unit. Same. Okay. Same thing, you do this one. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 here. You get net. So the height of the pyramid is 3 unit. That's why here is 3 unit. Okay. 8, 8, 8, 8. Okay, part C. Diagram 25 shows straight line on Cartesian plane. Given gradient 1/3, find values of P and Q. Okay. To find P, you can use this coordinate and this coordinate. So use the formula of gradient. So we have 6 minus 2 divided by 15 minus p equals to 1 over 3. Okay. So we get is 4 over 15 minus p equals to 1 over 3. So I just cross multiply. So 15 minus p equals to 12. P equals to 3. Okay. Then you want to calculate Q. So use this one and this one. Okay. So you have Q minus 6. 9 minus 15 equals to 1 over 3. 6 negative 6. 1 over 3. We have 3 times Q minus 6 equals to negative 6. So we have 3Q minus 18 equals to negative 6. Thus 3Q equals to 12. Q equals to 4. Okay. Number 30. A car moves with speed of 108 km per hour, 10 seconds to stop completely. Calculate acceleration of the car. So initial velocity is 108, final velocity is 0. So acceleration equals to v minus u divided by t. So 0 minus 108, you need to convert to kilometer per hour. Meter per second first. So 108 kilometer hour negative 1, you convert to meter per second is 108 times 10 power 3 divided by 3600. So the unit will become meter per second. So this one you will get It is 30 meter and negative 1. So here is 30, 10. Okay. So you will get is negative 3 meter second negative 2. Okay. So this is the conversion of unit. Okay. Change to the required unit. Okay. Part B. A student runs 400 meter at speed 4 meter per second and 450 meter at speed of 2.5 meter per second. Find average velocity. So formula, average velocity equals to total distance divided by total time. Okay, so we need to find time taken. So time taken equals to V divided by S divided by V. Okay, so for the first one is the 400 meter, 4 meter per second. We get is 100 seconds. T2 450 divided by 2.5. 180 seconds. So the total time taken equals to 100 plus 180 is 280 seconds. Thus average velocity equals to total distance 400 plus 450. So we get is 850 divided by 280. Okay, so we get is 3.04 meter second negative 1. Okay, so that one will be the average speed. Okay, part C. Table 4 shows the mark obtained by group of students in a mathematical test. Determine the model class. Okay, model class means the highest frequency, yeah? This one. Okay, so you just write down the class 61 to 70. Marks. Calculate mean marks of the student. So you can see given the range of marks, so you just calculate the mid point. So 41 plus 50 divided by 2, here we get is 45.5. Here we get is 55.5. Here 65.5. Here 75.5. You just take 41 plus 50 divided by 2, 51 plus 60 divided by 2, 61 plus 70 divided by 2, 71 plus 80 divided by 2. Okay, now we want to find the frequency. Okay, so 45.5 times 6 equals to what? 55.5 times 10, 65.5 times 13, 75.5 times 5. Okay, so you get here the total of frequency, and then total up all the student. Here is 16, 29, 34. Okay, so you need to calculate that. It is 273. Here we get 5, 5, 5. Okay, so you just total up. Okay, 2057. Okay, so now you calculate for mean. Equals to 2057 divided by 34. That is 60.5 marks. Okay, that's how we solve this question. So you must be able to calculate. Okay, number 31. So we have a diagram. Triangle A prime, B prime, C prime is image of triangle ABC under a reflection. Draw the object of the triangle ABC. Okay, so you see for the reflection, it's just like mirror. So this one, the distance is this length, the object also same length. So this one will be P. Okay, and this one here, the length. Okay, so at the same length also should be here C. Okay, and then B. Here, B. Okay, so you can just draw. The one is B. A, B, C. So this is the object. Now under the same reflection, P, same line. So should be P prime here. Should be same distance, image object. Okay, B. Image of EFGH under transformation. Describe in full the transformation. You can see this one, P will become E. Okay. So 90 degrees of rotation. Write down rotation of 90 degrees anti-clockwise. At center 0, 3. Okay. Center is here. Okay, so 90 degrees. Okay, but see, element is chosen at random from set M. Calculate probability of getting element of set P. So P got only 2 elements. The total element is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the probability to get P is 2/10, meaning 1/5. Okay, element is chosen at random from set M. Calculate probability of getting element of prime number n. N inside here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. How many prime number we have? 3, 5, 7, 3. So 3 out of 5. So that one is the